This is the dark truth about self-improvement that nobody talks about. You are becoming the best version of yourself, but as soon as you think of something you should be doing, for example, I should be reading, I should be working out, I should be getting up early, it creates this mental checklist. And if you don't do everything on that list, those bullet points turn into ammunition that you then use against yourself. The truth is that self-improvement alone doesn't satisfy us. Self-improvement is only one part of the journey. The other half that is crucial for growth is self-acceptance. Accepting where you are right now. Accepting every small and every big win. Learning from our losses and enjoying the now. If you're not following us, you will probably never hear my voice again. But if you are, congratulations. You're growing every day.